Go.
Like this. Apo.
What? Pardon. Hello guys. I-try ko yung asawa kasi ano daw siya, expert daw sa mga sounds ng ng hayop, ng mga animal. So, i-challenge ko siya ng 5 sounds ng animal. So, pag ibigay ko yung animals na pangalan, ang gagawin niya is gagawin niya yung sounds kung yung animals, gagawin yung anong sounds nila. Okay, let me start. Go. Come here first. Then I give percent kung anong percent yung talagang carry niya. Ayan. Okay, we will start. The first one is how about number 1 is how about pig. The pig sounds. Go. That is a pig sound, ma. Pig sounds. Okay, for me, that is
Happy.
the sound, I think, parang kakaiba siya eh. Hindi siya ma-explain na sound eh. Parang, pwede 3% na lang, Papa. Okay, ang pangit talaga guys. Okay, the next round is, how about, mas maganda kasi yung, mas mahirap, mas matcha-challenge siya ng sounds. Okay, the second animals is lion. Okay, we will try the sounds of lion. Go.
Like this. Apo.
What? Pardon. Di ba? Ang expert niya dahil sa sounds, guys. Grabe. Pero parang hindi naman siya layo. Hindi kakaiba eh. Parang, okay, maybe bigyan rin natin ng chance. So, I give you 5%. Na-up siya ng 2%, guys. Okay, 5%. Kuy, ma.
Koi.
Okay, the third one is monkey. Okay, what is the sounds of monkey?
Monkey.
Toy, monkey. Go. What is the sounds of monkey? Koy din. What? What is the sounds of monkey? What is the sounds of monkey? Again, pardon, koy din. That is the sound of monkey.
Ito yan.
That is the perfect one sounds of monkey.
Monkey like. Monkey like. Monkey.
That is the sounds of monkey. Tutoy.
Ito ya.
Okay. Bigyan natin ng chance. Parang kakaiba eh. Parang tatai eh. Ang pangit ng sounds. Grabe. Okay. The second to the last sounds, the animals. Okay. We will try the horse. Okay. We will try the horse. What is the sounds of the horse?
Horse. Horse.
Wait, horse. Huh? What? Sounds of the horse?
Like this.
Ala, kuli ka parang uubo. Yung aso ko. Okay, parang kakaiba siya guys. Di ko na lang ma-rate siya guys kasi parang wala eh. Parang
Nope.
wala sa tono eh, di ba? Okay, pero at least kahit para mapaano din yung kalooban niya. So, siguro bibigyan ko rin siya ng 7%. Okay, the last one talaga guys. Ito yung pinakakaiba. Bibigyan ko siya ng sounds of the frog. Okay, I will give you the, what is the sound of the frog? What is this? What is the sound of the frog? Frog.
Frog?
对，你知道 frog 吗？
不知道。
哈
What is frog? Frog.
？frog
Fox.
like
Fox.
this. 不是 fox 不一样啊。Like this. 这个 frog. Hindi niyo alam ang frog, guys. 这个 What is the sound of a frog? Go.
这个
So, Are you sure? What is in? Are you sure? Puyo, puti ka. Ewan ko sa'yo.
What?
Bahala ka ba, guys? My God, kaloka.
This ain't over.